Good morning, morning motivation. Back at you. Mark Drew at Mark Drew Speaks, Mr. Drew. And this morning, this morning, with the pipes, because we're talking about the water. We're gonna flow like the water today. Today we're talking about the Wu Wei, actionless action. That's what's gonna get us moving today, this morning, and today. We will be like the water. We are going to flow. You know, and water, it takes the path of least resistance. It does. But don't confuse that with being weak and passive, because it cuts canyons, baby. Water's a powerful force, man. It can cut through. It can cut through and make valleys. It can make ridges. You've seen it transform the earth. And like the water, we're going to transform our lives. We're going to flow, baby. We're going to flow. That's what we have to do. Be like the water today. Actionless action, the Wu Wei. And that means we're not going against the grain. We're focusing on those things we can control today. We're focusing on what we can control, because some things are just, they are what they are, you know? And I'll describe it. You're driving down the road, and God forbid, an accident happens, and there's a collision, and you get injured. And let's say there's a child, there's a child, and we look at these cases, and we see miracles happening. We see children coming out of these collisions, with minor injuries, minor cuts, and we see adults coming out, with worse injuries, and you're wondering how. It's like the hurricane comes. It comes into Florida, and you look at the palm tree, and it's swaying. It's like, wow. You go to the top of the skyscraper, and it moves. You get onto the bridge, and it moves. I'm getting to the point. It's the movement. It's the movement that protects it. It's the going with the flow. See, the child, it doesn't see the impact coming. The child doesn't brace, but the driver sees it. The driver braces for impact, and it tenses up. That's what we do in life. We see obstacles. We see things that we just cannot handle, I guess, right? And we tense up, and we get rigid. And when you're rigid, you break. Every time. You must be ductile. You must be flexible. Like the palm tree in the wind during the hurricane. Like the skyscraper. Like the bridge. Like the child. Like the water. The Wu Wei today. Be the water today. Flow freely today. That's my word to you, baby. Morning motivation. Let's keep it going. I believe in you because you have a gift. I don't have to know you. You have a gift. You just have to uncover it. And that's part of the adventure, man. Go get it today. Please subscribe to the page if you haven't already. Love someone today and every day. Don't forget to love yourself. Check me out at Mark Drew Speaks on Instagram. Peace.